You can expect a lot from the 2016 Ford F-150. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Ford's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.